Hi, so I just wanted to show you what I am packing. I'm heading off to the Caribbean coast in Colombia for 3 weeks. I'm planning on doing a bit of a mix of island hopping, doing some hiking in the jungle. I've got my tent, so I'm going to probably stay in the tent quite a bit. I'm also planning to go right the way up to pretty much the desert and see some flamingos. So I don't have very much room. I've got a small backpack and I need to fit everything in there, including my tent and my laptop and some things that I need to be able to teach online because unfortunately I can't take any time off work. So I'm going to show you what is in my bag. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be taking with me for my 3-week adventure. Now I know it looks like a lot of stuff and like it's never going to go in that bag, but trust me, I've just unpacked it and it all goes in. So this is the backpack I'm taking. It's a 45 litre and it was super cheap. It was like £15 from the market here in Medellin. I've got a very attractive plastic poncho, some earplugs. I'm going into the jungle. I know there's howler monkeys, and after the incident in Tikal where I didn't get any sleep thanks to the monkeys, I never travel without them. I've got a water bottle holder from Guatemala, a fan, which I always travel with a fan, some tape, little first aid kit including some activated charcoal. After the scorpion incident in Guatemala, I never go anywhere without it, and plenty of antihistamines, wet wipes, whistle, a little lock, a little gator, torch, head torch, some this is all just my toiletries. I try and always buy like organic natural stuff. So I've got my hippie deodorant and my toothpaste and some sun cream. I love traveling with these as well. They're great for headbands, or if you're anywhere dusty and you want to stop the dust getting on your mouth. Washing line, these are great. You just kind of slip things in between here. It's just perfect if you're having to wash your own clothes, especially if you're camping. Okay, so clothes wise, I've actually taken quite a lot, but because I've got these amazing packing cubes, everything, all of my clothes apart from my trousers fit into here. Everything fits into here, so they are so good. If you don't have any yet, I really recommend you get them. Okay, so I've got some really attractive hiking pants with zip off shorts. I've just got some lightweight kind of trousers from Thailand, which are good for just evenings or if I want to cover up. Denim shorts, which I know are a bit heavy, but I just really like wearing them and they're really comfy. A pair of sports shorts, and then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 6 t-shirts, just really plain colours that kind of go with everything. I've got 1 dress, 2 kind of nice t-shirts that I can wear out, and a pair of like nice shorts. I don't really travel with a towel. I prefer to take a sarong, so I've got 1 sarong here, just a little face cloth and a little tiny mini towel which can hook onto my bag. I have my sleeping bag, and in there I've also got a blow up pillow. I've got my dry bag. We're going on a lot of boats while we're kind of doing a bit of island hopping, so thought I better take my dry bag. Okay, bikinis. I always just take 2 pairs of black bottoms and then a couple of different tops just to change it up. I don't really wear bras, so I just live in the bikinis while I'm at the beach. I've got 4 pairs of panties, 1 pair of socks, and then this is my work stuff. So I work for Dada ABC, teaching online, and I will continue to work while I'm away at the beach. So I have the obligatory blue t-shirt. I've also got some tiny little props that I can take with me. I've got my little mini whiteboard, my Mac Air, I've got my headset and my backup camera because sometimes the Mac camera doesn't work. I have my yoga mat, which this is just a cheap one, but it's ideal because it's a little bit thicker, so I can sleep on it while I'm camping. It will just keep me insulated from the ground. And inside I've put my tent poles. And then I have my tent, and also my hiking sticks. I've got a big plastic bag, which I always travel with big plastic bags so that I can put everything in it inside my bag just to make it waterproof. And I will always like put 2 bags around my computer. You never know in places like this, and if it starts to rain, that you might need it. And then I have all my camera equipment. So I've got my fake GoPro here. I left my GoPro in Guatemala, so it's a bit of a sore subject, and I had to buy this cheap one, but it's not too bad. The video's okay, the photographs aren't very good. I've got some spare batteries, I've got a couple of accessories, the GoPro, and I've got my camera, my Olympus, which I'm obsessed with. I love it. And that is everything in my bag. So I'm going to prove to you that it will all go in. Okay, so I did it. Everything is either in or on the bag. I've got a strap for my yoga mat, which I hope I'm going to be able to get away with carrying as my personal item. Everything managed to fit in the bag. And then I've just attached my shoes. I always carry a few of these with me because they're just super, super handy. So this is just for flying. Once I get to Cartagena, I'll be able to take my tent out, and then it will attach down here on the bottom, so it won't be such a tight squeeze in the bag. So I really hope that this has been useful. I'm gonna do a packing list, and that will be available for you on the website too.